I wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to add Edpuzzle right into your Canvas. So see, here you go to the edpuzzle.com homepage, and you can check popular channels, YouTube, Khan Academy, TED Talks. Here's that crash course that I was talking about. I like a lot of videos on there. But if you wanted to just go to your content, you can also click here on My Content, and you can see the things that I've already uploaded in here. This is a PowerPoint presentation that I created with audio, and it's on dental codes. I can go in here and edit this here and make some questions to my PowerPoint, which I think would be useful. You can also go to YouTube and say, I want to teach on dental plaque. Here's a video already been done. The very first thing you want to do is review that video. So you want to watch it, make sure the content is accurate for your class. You can see other people have taken this YouTube video and put in questions. It looks like they all three have the same 3 questions. So we'll pick Emily. If you want to see what types of questions they have, you can look here. The early stages of gum disease is called. The student would pick. This is a multiple choice, but you can also edit it to be true, false. You can create essay where they have to actually type things in, give their opinions on things. You can get a good discussion question in there. So I'm going to say I really like this video. I'm going to copy it and add this to my content. So down here at the bottom, Edpuzzle copied it to your content. Click here on content, my content. Here we go. So now that video is in my content. And I can go over here to a course. This is a practice shell that I used for nutrition. We'll put a new assignment in there. Click on assignment. We're going to call this assignment a plaque video. Give some instructions. Click on the video below and answer all the questions. There's only 3 points assigned because there was only 3 questions. Of course, you can edit that and add more. I'm going to make this an activity. You have an option here for no submission online paper, just like regular. You want to use external tool, find, and then Taft already has Edpuzzle in here. So immediately my content will pop up. So here's that video I want to add in. I want to assign it to the students. So I'm going to click assign. I want to make sure this prevent skipping button is on so that they can't move ahead in the video until they've answered the question. And this just makes sure that they get through the whole video and watch everything you want them to watch, especially if it's like a presentation. So I selected that. You can see the URL pops right up in there into the assignments. It's going to go to everyone. Of course, I don't have a due date because I'm just practicing. We're going to save this. And here's what you will see on your end. As the students start to take this activity assignment and answer questions, their names will pop up down here in a list, and the questions will as well. So you can see which students have taken it, and then you can click on questions. And here's our 3 questions that are in here. And it will show each student. You can grade it by student and grade all 3 of theirs, or you can do it by question and grade everyone's per question. These, as soon as they take it and submit assignment, it automatically goes into their grades. So you don't have to do anything, but you made sure that they watched your whole presentation, whether it's your lecture, whether it's a video that you took off line and create it as an activity. They'll answer questions about it. Canvas automatically grades it. It automatically goes into the gradebook. It's as easy as that. So we can kind of go over here to assignments. You can see that it's listed here under activities. And here's the plaque video right here. Easy as that.